What up, Blockhead? So, got a good little group with us right now, and we're headed over to Erick's place because a couple days ago it was his birthday, and we all pitched in to get him a gift. Now, Erick is a very, very just good dude. He's always helping people work on bikes, and it's always over at his place, right? He's needed a motorcycle lift for a while, so we all threw in some cash and we set him up with a motorcycle lift right there. Dude, that wrapping paper is destroyed. All right, let's go. All right, so yeah, we got a big group of people together, right? So basically Erick thinks that we're going over to film the outro for his test ride video that we filmed a while back, but we're going to be mid-filming. I'm going to basically text the other dudes to come on over, and that wrapping paper did not hold up, but whatever. Anyways, going to text them to come on over, and then mid-filming they're going to pull up into the driveway, and I guess we're all going to yell, "Surprise!" Hopefully it's a good surprise. What up, dog? What's crapping? Man, it's warm, bro.
Warm. Notice how I'm in shorts.
Yeah. Where's your high socks?
I don't want to wear them.
Dyna, bro.
What to say? If you're gonna be dumb, you better be tough.
This is true.
Whew. You are a gracious host. Oh, yes, I'm Zach Garna. Alright, so speaking of intake, what up, Blockheads? Hey. So in continuation from the last test ride video,
my favorite beer.
Erick is a very gracious host, man. Appreciate it, brother.
Yeah.
Yep. How long have you been talking to me about filming this, wrapping up this video?
Summer.
Since summer?
Since summer.
Has it been summer?
Same people.
No, October.
October.
It was October.
It still felt like summer.
Yeah, so basically we're going over the Road King Special. Hey, Grandma. Erick purchased, well, you traded in your...
My 2014 Dyna Fat Bob.
That's right.
Yeah.
2014 Dyna Fat Bob for a 2018 Road King Special, which has the new Milwaukee 8.
Oh yeah, oh yeah.
And
single cam.
Overall thoughts so far?
Dude, super torquey. It's a koozie for my beer. See?
On the go,
Yeah,
just in case.
Harley Davidson gauge. You can change all the colors individually. So right now, you can't see right now, but the needles are red. The speedometer's blue. The tack's blue. Needles red, and then. Well, I'm gonna close the garage.
No, leave it open.
Let's see the colors, buddy.
No, it's fine. It's picking up just fine here.
Does it? And then some more trouble just showed up. Okay. You wanna do this real quick or not?
Yeah, we can keep going.
Okay.
Hold on one second.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's probably gonna be too loud with them rolling up.
That's alright.
Guys, hey dude.
What's up?
We all thought.
You guys brought the whole crew over here.
We all thought I'd send you help a lot of us inside the garage. We thought you'd repay you for your birthday with a little birthday present.
What's up? Why does it look like there's a mattress in Joel's bed? No. I know what that is. No.
Surprise!
Surprise!
It's a blanket.
I'm so proud, motherfucker.
Happy birthday, brother.
Get the f out. I know exactly what that is.
You don't know what it is.
It's red.
It's a coffin.
It's red.
It's a shed.
And it keeps me from flopping around on the floor like a whale. Like a beluga whale. Joel? What up? More like a manatee or something else. I know what that is. You guys, come here, everybody. Come.
Hey.
Oh, just work around. Here you go. Yeah.
Everybody gets another one.
You guys did all this for me? And come here, banana.
No, of course.
Oh no.
Come here. Come here. Come here, big dog. Oh, fucker. Happy birthday, man. Get out of here. Great, and I gotta work on more bikes. You tired? You got it. You got it. Oh, Javi. No, no. You're gonna hurt yourself. No, you're gonna hurt you. No, you don't want. I have beer. More beer. Oh, my favorite things.
Motorcycle stuff and beer.
BB.
You guys, I was not expecting this. I hope there's candy in there. So gay. Happy birthday, Broca, Dre. You're the best friend, John. Dear Eric, happy birthday, buddy. Mateo, Biatch. Reese, okay. Joel, all right. And Javi.
Well, bad.
Dude, you guys got me good.
Go unload your gas.
Bitches.
Yep.
Yeah, by yourself.
Yeah, we need to leave. Come on, hurry up.
That's cool, I got this.
DJ Khaled.
Another one.
Right.
Guys, I'm trying so hard right now not to cry, alright? I can't, no, because the camera's on. Turn that camera off, I'm gonna cry like a little.
Alright, it's off.
Did you see that? About the right size. Happy birthday, Papa Chulo, Grompa. Caution things. Let me get some pliers for that real quick.
They're all over it.
Really? Oh, great, cool.
Yeah, we tried to wrap it, but the turnpike did the turnpike did a number of it.
Turnpike.
Watch out for the fangs. Ready?
Oh, my toe! My toe! My toe! My toe! Drop it! Drop it! Oh, my toe!
Happy
And we
birthday.
gave you a birthday.
Happy birthday! Here's the medical bill.
We're in the ER.
Happy birthday!
Okay. Let's turn it.
Oh, being the cameraman is awesome.
So many more activities. Remember, you jerk with your back. And
Don't use your legs.
And squat. Ready? It's all in your desks.
Okay.
Fires.
Best friends ever.
Let's have a beer.
It's like it's,
That was really weird. I was like, I've never heard.
Never mind.
I got like.
oh, the fangs.
Yeah, watch out for that.
Okay.
Right.
Cheers.
Happy birthday, sir.
Thanks, everybody.
You're so jealous right now.
You can have one.
In all reality, hobby, this is gonna benefit everybody.
No, he's talking about the beer.
Oh. You want some water? Milk?
Milk.
Milk.
So yeah, man, what happened is everybody, Matt set it up. Everybody threw in, contributed, and then I kept on saying, get it on sale, get it on sale. You remember when we were sitting in Starbucks?
Yeah.
And you brought that up and you were like, yeah, this is on sale. Oh, I want to buy it, but I got something else.
Yeah.
I had that same email, but I missed it. You saw it, right?
Yeah.
And so I was like, ooh, show me that. And then you gave me your phone. I got it, sent it to Matt immediately. They went like an hour after that. Picked it up.
Shut up.
Picked it up.
For real?
An hour after that. We've had this group chat going on for a while.
For sure, I was like, ah.
And so, since we were able to find it on sale and they picked it up on sale, went ahead and bought you the better front vise also.
Awesome.
So that's coming on Matt's birthday.
Bless you guys. I love all you guys.
Hence the reason I told you to keep going what you're doing with your other money for your exhaust. Why I told you to keep doing your exhaust.
Dude, you went right over my head, dude. I had no clue. You guys got me so good. Like, well, you obviously knew. Like, I saw you get one. I'm like, man, I gotta get one of those, and you guys made it happen.
Does this mean you're not coming over anymore?
Hell nah. Of course I'm gonna come over, dude. Come on. This is the coolest thing anybody's ever bought me. I forgot what else it was that I said. Best surprise ever. Like, I had no clue this was gonna happen. This is so cool.
Who did I send it to? Contact.
Stop! Let me do it! Should we put the little turnbuckle things down? I don't know. My lift works. Where you at? So whose bike am I working on next? I might have to do a channel, I don't know.
I kind of want to get something done. What do I need to
Like who's there? We're working on it.
Maxed out, son.
That's where we at. You guys are still here?
Yeah.
Get out of here.
Hashtag Heineken, see what they throw in.
Yeah, right?
There's some free beer, guys.
Huh? When do we get ice cream?
Good game, bro. Yep.
Alright. Are we going for a ride or not? Thank you so much again, sir. See you and all the blockheads.
Get shit out of here, brother.
I'm glad I got to embarrass myself for all of you guys.
That's right. Always. You got to get that one video out where you run into the ocean.
Yeah, I don't know have to know about that.
Oh, they will. They will. Later, bros.
Later, man.
All right. Yo, when I was rolling up behind you to check make sure it was all good, you were like that, and I was like, I'm like, dude, that wrapping paper was tore up. I got behind there, I'm like, man, that did not make it. Later, dude.